David is away at work for probably like a week and a half. So I have to do all the chores this morning, or all week I should say. And the first thing I usually do is grab some water before I head out because everything's frozen, so we can't use a hose. So I have to bring a bucket and usually just fill it up for the mama with the baby, Callie, because she has her own separate bucket. We have, and I'll show you, a big trough of water that's heated so the water doesn't freeze, but I have to fill it up every once in a while. But it usually lasts at least a week. But Callie's bucket is also heated, but she goes through a lot of water just being a mama who's breastfeeding all those babies. So I usually make sure I bring her some water, and I always have extra in case the chickens need water too. You can hear her. She's usually locked up in her little manger to keep her safe. It's heavy. We got a little bit of snow, a little sprinkle, and then about an inch maybe. In the back of my house, everything already thawed and was gone, but the front of my house doesn't get a lot of sun. It's the north side, so there's still a lot of snow over here. Good morning. There's some ice here, so hopefully I don't slip on camera, especially. Oh, but you can hear them. I'll show you where Callie is, just to keep her and the babies safe from any predators. I have her in there, so I got to make sure I get her out real quick. But let's get the chicken food. I usually give the chickens, especially in the winter time, some corn. Nice fatty corn for them so they stay warm. You see them coming in. Hi, Ren. Want some corn? Someone's in there too. There. For the most part, the chores aren't terrible. We have an automatic feeder. You guys want to come out? Looks like the sun's going to come out today. Hi, Miss Turkey. Hi. You guys want some corn? I brought you some food also. Oh, I think I left the food. I only had one hand. Empty that. Whoa, don't push Miss Turkey. Don't push Miss Turkey. There's enough for everybody. There's my automatic feeder. It has a solar panel that goes up to the top. Shh. But David's in the middle of redoing the run and making it higher and a lot longer. But he had to leave, so we just have a tarp on it right now. Hi. Also have an automatic door, which is actually on a battery, but that lets him out in the morning, and it closes automatically at night. Hi, Miss Red. So the chickens automatically go up on their own at night, which is nice. But then I just make sure that they have a whole lot of straw, and I just kind of pile it up I clean out their little nesting boxes. I just check on them about every day, clean them out if I need to, and throw in more straw. Just sprinkle a little bit on top. Oops, sorry. Hi. Hi. Good morning. You guys need some water? This is also heated. I'll give you guys some water. You can see it's all plugged in. But you just have to fill it up. All right, let's get some grass. You guys getting ready to lay your egg? What is that? Miss Blackhawk, are you going to lay an egg? Not everyone's laying right now. It's still cold, but I think I have 3 or 4 of them laying eggs right now. So let's get some alfalfa grass for everybody. Set you down real quick. You guys wanted to come out so bad, huh? Let's start with the food, then we'll come back and get water. I'm not chasing you. You're just in the path that I'm walking. You guys hungry? Come on, let's go. Come on, come on. You have to get out of my way. Oh. They also have an automatic grain feeder. But especially in the winter time, if you give them some alfalfa grass. We like to feed them mostly grass anyways, and less grain. But it's interesting how the goats stay with the goats, the sheep stay with the sheep. She's the youngest, that's Mary. Bella's supposed to be pregnant, but I'm not sure. I don't know if she is. But this would be her first calving if she is. Callie was really big. She's not so big. This is Velo. How you doing, Missy? Did I throw grass on you? Oh, let's get Kelly before she breaks out. So I'm reading this book, and it's called Holy Moments, I think. It is called Holy Moments that I'm reading. And it's just talk about recognizing and enjoying all the special holy moments. So this is definitely, it's by Matthew Kelly. It's a really short, tiny book. But even when David is home, I like to come out here He usually takes care of most of the animals all the time. Because this is definitely one of my holy moments right now, every day. I love looking at these babies. Here's another holy moment. It's just so beautiful out here. Sorry, cows. I'm coming. Eat the babies? How's the babies today? Oh, it's cold and frozen. Good morning. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Hold on, let me open this so I can come in. Yeah. The water's frozen. Say good morning. Oh. Good morning. I'll get you some fresh straw today. Oh, let's clean this out. It's hard to do this with one hand, cows. Got it all in your water. You guys eating your grass too? You're gonna get stuck in there, Missy. The two boys. And the curious one is the girl, huh? Starting to get their little horns. Huh. Got little buds on your head? Say cheese. Say cheese. Can you guys say cheese? Goats are very curious. They like to chew on everything, huh? Everything. Eating the grass in there? Okay. Let me go get your mama some fresh water. You guys gonna play outside today? I can clean out your little manger. Darla, no. You're not very nice. Let's see if we can break through this. Nope. See if we can. It's not totally frozen through. I can see water moving. Who's on my back? What's on my back? Who's on my back, huh? Get the there's the trough too of water, and it's got a little heater on top. It's a lot harder to do this with one hand. You guys gonna go outside today? The ducks and the geese definitely don't mind the snow, which is nice. I'm gonna put my gloves on because I put my hands in that water and now my hands are freezing. I will say, when I was working full time and had early meetings, this was a lot more stressful. Now, I kind of can go a little slower. I enjoy it a lot more. You eating my camera? Are you eating my camera? Okay. What do you think? What do you think? What do you think? Dixie, no. Come here, girl. Say hi. Say hi to everybody. Are you helping your mommy eat? Are you helping your mommy eat? Huh? Dick, Darla, go on. You're not going to play with them. No. Hi, my curious one. You eating the grass off your mom's hair? You guys look good. You guys look so happy. Yeah. Hi. You show them how you jump around? Jump around. Jump around. Jump up and get down. You're on my back? Are you on my back? Huh? Hi. Gonna eat my finger? My thumb is bigger than your whole mouth. Alright, I'll get you guys some straw today. Once you get out, I'll clean up your little house. Get you some fresh, dry straw. Since I think all the snow's gone. Jump around. With the sun coming up, it's like my favorite time of day. She loves to play with those babies, but I can tell she's nipping them. And the mama keeps ramming Darla, which is good for her. But the geese love to play in water, but it freezes, so I only give them a little bit. I'm gonna clean this out. One thing to remember too that I've learned, get out of the chicken food. Come on, Dix. Is your chickens actually eat a lot less food when you let them free range. So we try to let them out regularly. Look at how pretty they are. Good morning. You look so beautiful like a swan in the sunlight. But you're loud like a goose. A lot of times my chickens lay in the afternoon. So these two I think were from yesterday. I have about 4 that lay eggs right now. I don't have that many hens anyways right now. No eggs. Let's get that extra snacks. Clean up this mess from whoever was in here. Yeah, was it you? Put the lid on so in case it snows. I'm gonna need 2 hands for this. I gotta get some. Look at you, I feel like you're gonna fall. So when they only have so many eggs, they stop laying in the winter time. The dog loves to play with pine cones. And what I do is I don't have any heat, no, I don't have any lights. I just let them naturally stop. They stop laying in the winter time as soon as it gets cold. But it started warming up. So it's probably about 6 to 8 weeks for me that I've noticed that they stop laying. And then the younger ones start laying again. Okay. For them to stop laying, it's only for a short period of time, and then they'll start laying again, which is nice. And it's kind of nice to give them that little break, let them do it naturally. But what you can do, if you need the eggs, is you can put the heat lamp in there, and or some sort of lights, and then nope. Dixie, I don't think Callie wants you in here. Come on. Out. Thank you, I know. When she gets comfortable with you by her babies, I'll let you back in. She does not like Darla. Look at her. No likey. Darla, she's not playing with you. She's mad at you. Stand it up there. Show me what these guys are doing. Eating all the hay. See for some kind of dry spot. Stir ourselves until it melts. How am I going to get this back out, guys? How am I going to get this back out? Camera out of the way. Huh, don't go digging in my straw, okay? Make a mess. Shh. Jeez. Wake up the whole neighborhood. Okay, is that everybody? Is that everybody? Did I bring the bucket back? Yeah. Hi, pretty girls. Look at those are my 2 roosters right there. Little fancy feet. Big Chief. He's so pretty. And Mrs. Leghorn. I haven't had problems with roosters. I've seen many, many, many videos of people having issues with their roosters. So, I would say all my chickens are over 2 years. So this year's the first time they all stopped laying. If you have one, like a spring chicken that you got in the springtime, many times that first year, I had them laying. They were pretty much laying every day, even through the winter. And I never put heat in there. Oh, that's what I wanted to do. Put some more straw in there too. You are annoying, girl. I hear you. I feel you. I don't want to play with you. So they laid every day, even through the winter time. But now, even my ducks have stopped laying, and the geese and the turkey. They all laid in the summertime. But I think they're all at least a year old. I've had them for over a year. So, I'm down to 2 ducks. That's the boy duck right there. Say hi, Drake. It's funny, they kind of hang out with the geese like they're in charge. The geese follow mostly the ducks around. I wouldn't say they follow any chickens around. And we got the geese because they're supposed to be good guard animals. But I don't know if that's necessarily true. I've had plenty of, since we've had the geese, I lost a lot of chickens and a lot of ducks and a lot of my baby turkeys to predators. I think it's an owl. We do have an owl that comes and sits in the tree, and since we don't have our top on anymore, I think it's the owl. Since then it has stopped, but I would say everybody goes in the coop at night, even the geese, except for the turkey. So, I don't know if the turkey's just big enough now. Now that we're inside, got a little fogged up. Hopefully that was, my hair looks crazy. Hopefully that was a nice little insight to my holy moments every day. And I enjoy doing that every day, even when I'm by myself. It's more fun when David's here because he could do the heavy stuff like the straw, but it's still fun. And thank you for watching. And I hope everyone has a great day. Thank you for visiting Harper Homestead.